Today we're going to be here at Epcot wanting to ride some rides I did not do last time I was here. Test Track, the Land, Figment, who knows what else. It's going to be a fun day nonetheless. Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. Today we are here at Epcot to ride some rides and have some fun. I love this place. You guys are going to get to tag along. If you're new, click that subscribe button. If you would like to support my channel, down below in the description box is the link to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. It's amazing. The park map has Spaceship Earth on it. Maybe it's just something I don't ever pay attention to, but I haven't seen Spaceship Earth on the park map in a long time. And they're not quite done with the front entrance here. I'm waiting for that fountain to come back and for everything else to be completely updated. They've done some work since the last time I was here. Starting to look pretty good. Very excited about having that fountain back. I think the first attraction I'm gonna do today is Spaceship Earth. Gonna meet up with Adam and a friend you guys might know, Aimless Adventures on YouTube. It's funny, the last time I was here, I said my goodbyes to Spaceship Earth because they were gonna be updating it and changing it. That's no longer the case. They have delayed the update on Spaceship Earth. Kind of makes me happy, but I was kind of looking forward to seeing an update, but hey, at least I get to ride Spaceship Earth. Oh boy, the mural. It's the mural. We're going right on in. This is amazing. He's here. He made it. And pay no attention to the man in the hat. Tell you what, this ride never gets old, that's for sure.
Welcome to the future, or should I say, your future.
And when you step out into Project Tomorrow, everything is completely shut down. Makes sense. Everything in here was completely hands-on. But he made it. Aimless Adventures finally made it. We're finally getting to hang out after years of commenting and messaging each other. It's happening. The link to his channel is down below. Check out his work.
It's like being in an alternate universe.
Gonna hop on the Land here at the Land Pavilion. The line is pretty quick. And might I add, this is Chris from Aimless Adventures' first time on Living with the Land. I'm not joking, this is his first time. And he gets row number 1.
The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert.
That's always been my favorite part of this ride, that little farmhouse and the scarecrow. Oh my gosh, look at that. Welcome back. We've missed you. Little hidden Mickey right there. I found another hidden Mickey right there. Yep, there it is. There's a hidden Minnie right there and another hidden Mickey right there. They're everywhere. This is how they're doing character appearances right now too, here at Epcot. That's just so cool. They wander free in the grass. You can walk up, have a little interaction, or you can just stand from afar like I am. It's amazing. Ah, she's going fishing. I think the next journey is gonna be into imagination. Their old buddy Figment. Line doesn't look very long.
Oh, can I go too? It's Figment!
Really stinks.
It's a good thing I've got this mask on.
Imagination is a blast!
It's just ridiculous. I love it. And then you have the nightmare-fueled Dr. Nigel Channing as the moon. Ralph and Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph are not doing meet and greets currently here inside the Tech Expo. But everything is still set up. Still plenty of Figment merchandise, including the Park Pals, some plush, the ears, and the Epcot Center tie-dye is here. It's good to see this guy still a part of Epcot. And everyone's friend from the 100 Acre Wood is out too. Pooh! He's catching butterflies, or trying to. Oh my gosh, he's sneaking up. He's sneaking up. Is he gonna get it? Is he? Could he? Oh. Close, but no cigar. They're hanging out right over here in the grassy area, as you can see, right next to the Land and the Imagination Pavilion. Told you I'd be back. I'm gonna grab the crispy citrus chicken here at the Citrus Blossom. Sounds pretty good to me. This is it, the crispy chicken with the orange aioli and the greens. I'm excited. Looks pretty good, and I got a bottle of water to keep hydrated. And Chris went with the same thing. Got some chicken action. Gonna ride the Gran Fiesta tour starring the 3 Caballeros. All right, the boat is here. It's rather interesting seeing the restaurant completely empty. All right, it's been a long time since I've visited our friends, the 3 Caballeros. Do enjoy this portion of the attraction. Always reminds me of It's a Small World. Some Mary Blair action almost. Kinda, sorta. I do love the Pinata Donald. So good to see these original 1971 animatronics again. For those of you who don't know, these were once inside the Mickey Mouse Revue, an original attraction at the Magic Kingdom. And now they sit here at the 3 Caballeros Grand Fiesta. And I think that's appropriate.
Hey, this is perfect for a cooking demonstration. Oh, that's a good idea. We call ourselves the Epcot Jammin' Chefs. Oh, or the Jammin', that'll work. Hey, yo, chef. Why don't you tell everybody what we're going to start with? For our first dish, we're going to do a southern delicacy. Drumsticks. A 1, 2, skidoo-a-dee.
Stopped off like I said I was going to in Japan and got the frothy ramen, but I'll be honest with you, this was not what I was expecting. The glass feels a little chilled. It's ramen and that's egg whites on top and a sauce. I don't know. We'll have to try it. It's weird. I don't know how I feel about this one. That'll be something I probably never get again. It was a little weird. Some things just are supposed to be warm. Ramen is one of them. Bye guys, so good to see you. You guys know Daily Woo, Aimless Adventures. Links are down below. Goodbye. Well, the weather is better, so I think I'm gonna go ride Test Track. Presented by Chevrolet. No longer doing touch points as of now. But that World of Motion sign is still here. All right, got my own vehicle. Here we go! 54, 58, 62, 64 miles an hour! That was awesome. Oh my gosh. It's been a long time since I've done Test Track. And everything over here is completely roped off when you're exiting. But they still have the showroom completely open and have cars inside. Well, I think that's gonna do it for today. I had a lot of fun hanging out with Chris from Aimless Adventures and Adam from the Daily Woo, as always. But our adventure for today has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. But if you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys tomorrow on a brand new episode. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.